In this video, we'll walk you through the basic steps to get started with Edgecore's CloudSDK Cloud. Go to the Edgecore's CloudSDK Cloud website and click Register here at the bottom of the page to start the registration process and create your cloud. Enter your email address and name and set a password. Check the I am not a robot and user agreement box, then click Register. A verification email will be sent to the email address you registered with. Please check your inbox and verify your account to activate it. Once completed, you can start creating your first cloud. Enter your cloud name and click Next. After entering the cloud page, the system will guide you to create your first site. Enter your site name and click Create. Then select your country and click Save in the top right corner. Your site is now created. Return to the cloud level and click Licensing and Billing. Click Apply Voucher. Enter your voucher code and click Add, then click Apply. After applying the voucher, return to the Licensing and Billing page. Under Cloud Balance, you will see the available points. One device requires 1 point. To activate the license, go to the Cloud Plan section and click Redeem under Available License. On the Redeem page, select the number of devices you want to manage and click Submit. Confirm the number of points to redeem. After confirmation, return to the Licensing and Billing page, where you will see the available vouchers. Next, click Device in the left-hand menu to add devices for management. On the Device Management page, click Add Device in the top right corner to open the device registration page. Select the site to which the device belongs, then enter the device serial number and MAC address, and assign a device name for easier management. The serial number and MAC address can be found on the device label or on the packaging box. After completing the information, click Save. A confirmation message will appear in the top right corner. Click Go to Device List to return to the Device Management page. The newly added device will now appear on the Device Management page. Once the device is powered on and connected to the network, the system will automatically discover it and update its status in real time. You may also click Refresh to check the status. When the device successfully connects to the cloud and completes configuration, the first 3 icons will turn green. At this point, device onboarding is complete. After onboarding is complete, you can return to the Licensing and Billing page at the cloud level to check your license status. Under Cloud Plan, click View below Available License to see the current license usage. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us at any time.